What's up, YouTube? What's going down? Well, I ain't doing no editing, uncut, on raw. Well, I'm finally almost done with this meal real quick, and then about 3 minutes and put it all together real quick. Got my rice, put it all in. But yeah.
Hold everything.
Hopefully this day is short.
Event is now at the Home Depot.
I can chill out,
ways to hold more
hang
stuff
out,
for less.
Enjoy my weekend.
20-gallon tote for only $19.97. Heavy
the way I want to. Got my bag of nuts, my sack of nuts. That's the joke at the job all day, sack of nuts. Everybody always coming in with a sack of nuts, and when there's 2 bags of nuts next to each other, whose sack of nuts is these?
More Save More event going on now. More saving,
all
more doing.
All funny
power
games.
Of the Home Depot, U.S. only while supplies last.
Yeah, but I'm gonna add my rice to this meat. You see, you got Tech 9 always in the background, or some Yellow Wolf, or whatever it is. It's always something good to listen to. Put my tomatoes in, all that. It's going all in. All in. Right, like hurry up with my food. Yeah, first she wasn't gonna let me take none. She got mad. I made it for both of us. Look, here she comes.
Didn't he? Let me say this. Okay, didn't I call? He recorded the phone call. Did you record the phone call?
Yeah,
okay, because I could have swore I asked for him to cook this.
Well, I said I was gonna make me some kibasas.
Whatever. Here, look. Oops, sorry guys. I should turn the camera around.
It's looking at it's looking at what you want to look at.
Oh. Is it better?
Yeah, it's better.
Yum yum yummers. It's about to go down. Could you not see it, Fred?
Right there. Bingo.
Bingo.
So yeah, this little concoction I made. The last thing you put on here, I don't know if it's spicy enough for it, but it's gonna be spicy enough because I told you I'm not having no VGs. Nope, not today. I'm gonna sit there. I'm up here.
Okay, come on, man. I did not sign on to be your cameraman.
Oh, okay. But last bit is the cheese. Everything's good with cheese.
You put cheese in it?
Yeah, you didn't know there's cheese in there? Alright. Quick dish.
What's in it?
I already told them what's in there. See,
well, I was wondering.
If she watched the video, that's what it's going to be.
I was asking for myself.
Oh. Well, mushrooms, kielbasa, cheese.
What I tell you about showing people the brand name? We is not getting paid for this.
Look, everybody know, well, I don't know about y'all, but Wally World. Is this from Wally World?
Yes, it's from Walmart.
Yeah.
Yes, we shop at Walmart. I
can't
see you, bruh.
On a budget.
Oh, I see you.
On a budget. That's how I do it, on a budget. The last of the cheese, anyway.
Okay, we should have turned it around.
Why?
It's not enough?
It's on there. Yeah. So this video is probably gonna be the shortest video, but I don't have time to edit. Look at the time. See, I try to get out of here by 2:15.
See that time? Okay, boom. Got it.
I try to get out here by 2:15.
See, look. This
so I can get to work.
This is the problem. When he push record on this, we can't turn it around to the forward or the backwards camera, so I'm just making it work. Oh, that's gonna be look good.
Oh,
good, baby.
Flex Friday. Hold up. Flex Friday.
Flex on them. Okay, you signing off?
Yeah. Hit that button on all 3 of these videos. All 3. All 3. Not 4. 3. All 3 of these videos. You know, I'm new to this. I'm true to this though. But yeah, Big Earth, Day in the Life. Look at that cheesy.
I can't see it. Hold on, wait.
It's like buttery hotness.
Did I get it?
Yeah, it's like buttery hotness. Yeah, hit that button, like, subscribe. You can find her. What's your page?
I don't know.
She don't know what her page is. Well, either way, you gonna follow me.
We'll put it in the description box below.
Yeah, you gonna find me. Put me out there. Get me up there. If you like what I want to have in conversation. Deuces. Toodaloo. Deuces. Oh, it's a button ain't there.
Okay, push it then. Push it. Deuces.
Which button? That button?
Stop.
Deuces.